Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is the Bose SoundLink Flex speaker waterproof? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if they can use their Bose SoundLink Flex speaker in water. Well, here's the answer. Now, your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker actually meets an IP rating of 67, okay? So it's IP67, and it is waterproof and dustproof, meaning that you can dunk this in water and it'll keep playing. And it also even floats. So with that, you can immerse this speaker in water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of about 3 feet, okay? Now with that, it also does float, and you could use this while you're showering, you can use this in the rain, and you can use this in the snow. Now, I do caution you to not dump this in water lower than 3.3 feet just because the pressure is going to be too high, okay? So if the water is deeper than 3.3 feet, I would not recommend dunking this deeper than 3.3 feet. That actually might cause it to damage the speaker. Now with this Bose SoundLink Flex speaker, it's a really nice multi-use speaker. I've used this plenty of times underwater and it's worked perfectly just fine. Now with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.